Hi guys. So today is the first of two videos and we're going to talk about using Goodnotes on your computer. So back in 2020, well, first of all, this is my office setup. So this first video I'm filming like this, and I'm going to try to hold this darn camera super straight. And then tomorrow I'm going to do a different video to show you the specifics of using Goodnotes on your computer. But so let me back up. Back in 2020, when I started using Goodnotes, I was really excited because I heard that you could put it on your computer. And I downloaded it and it was absolutely horrendous. It was just slow and it didn't sync well. And it didn't have the features at all, even close to what it does today. So I just didn't use it. And it was fine. Then let's go it was last spring, I think my computer died. It was May, my old computer died. And I needed to get a new iMac, and it was smaller than my old iMac, and I was a little bummed because I keep a lot. I do a lot. And my family, my daughter and husband were like, girl, you need to get a dual monitor. It'll, change your life. And they were not kidding. So I got a dual monitor. Well, first I had a really old secondary monitor and to test it. And then I fell in love. I absolutely fell in love with having the dual monitor because my main monitor, the one we're looking at with the flowers, that one is what I'm working on currently. Then I have my iPad over here. And then, so the extra monitor always has my planner and my work notes open. You can see my work notes are open right now. And, then I have my planner. And it's just, it's so fantastic. And then I have other things, notes, music. That's where I, do messages, email, etc. But I have to say, I'm an Apple product person, so I can't speak if you have a PC, okay? But this is phenomenal. And they are so responsive now when updates come out. So if I get an update on my iPad, usually within, the week, I'm getting an update with the features on, my iMac app, whatever, my Goodnotes app in my computer. So it's pretty good, but I'm going to show you in the next video because there are a few things that don't, like cons, if you will, but they're pretty minimal. Anyway, this is where I work. And now I'm going to quick zoom in. We're going to get a little bonus because Barney's with me today. This is my dog, Barney. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day.